This is the instructional video on how to navigate SatCloud. You can log into SatCloud through two ways. You can open Chrome or Firefox and go to satcloud.patientsafetyinc.com, or if you have Connection Center, you can open that and click on the SatCloud portal hyperlink. Once you're logged in, it's going to automatically go to the patient section. Here you can search for patients by first name, last name, or both, or you can tab through pages of already existing patients. If you need to create or add a patient, you'll click on the blue plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. Fill out first name, last name, date of birth, and any other information, and make sure you click the green Save Disk in the upper right-hand corner to save that patient. Another feature for patients is merging patients. For example, if you accidentally create a second profile for a patient, you can merge that additional profile into the original one. So I'm going to search for the profiles I have. Mackenzie Hodges is my original profile I want to keep, and Mac Test 2 is my additional one I made on accident. So to merge them together, I'm going to navigate to the original profile that I want to keep. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll click the green button and then go ahead and search for that other additional profile. Select it, hit Yes Merge, and then once you refresh, any data that was from the additional profile will now be under the original one. Now we'll go to the reports section. You can view all reports here from any patient. They appear in chronological order according to the date of the report. The most recent will be at the top. Something else you'll notice is the report snapshot you get. You can view this as well when you search a patient and go into their profile. You'll see RDI, baseline saturation, cycling time, and valid recording time. Also, there are some other features over here to the right. First, we have Regenerate Report tab. This can be used if you need to update information on the report. For example, if you leave out the patient's weight and you want that information on the report, you can go update it in the patient information and then hit Report, Generate Report, and it will now show on that new report. Next is Edit Patient Information. This will open up the patient profile and allow you to edit there. Next is the Download Report button. Then we have the eyeball button. This opens up a more in-depth view of the report metrics, and this also allows you to make notes up here at the top. And last, we have the Delete Report button. And next, we'll go to the Devices page. This is where you can see any devices assigned to your organization. It shows the oximeter serial number, hub serial number, and the patient it's currently assigned to. This is also where you go to assign a device to a patient. You just click on Assign Patient, search for the patient, and hit Confirm. And now we'll look at user-specific settings. Up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that, and you'll get this drop-down menu. Going into Profile takes you to your profile information. You can also edit here, and you can make changes to the settings for your report or events. For example, if you want to change the threshold of what's considered a low RDI, you can change that here. Next is Organizations. This allows you to see your organization information and edit if needed. Subscriptions shows you any of your active subscriptions, and you can also update your payment information here as well. Members will show you all users who have access to your organization. You can invite new users, change existing users' access level, or delete users altogether. Connections is only applicable to our users who use Daphne or have integrated another external system to work with SatCloud. And then all video tours are just direct links to any of our videos that we have that you can also find on our YouTube channel. These are about our device and also SatCloud as well.